if anything, you get a story out of it. 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 I think I can just go on that trail there. Here's the beauty of the DR650. We came out on the pavement really fast, and now we're going over on the dirt. Try that on your big street bike. I think this is what I'm looking for. Oh, my plate's on there. Crap, now everybody can see what's on the back of my bike. Oh, don't tip the bike over. Yeah, I really like it. Archaic yet modsy.
Oh man, that is so sweet, Bill. So sweet.
So we're like 6 kilometers up Scout Lake Road. Very hard to see with the sun where it is on the horizon. Happens a lot in the fall in the Yukon. The sun sets low and stays low for a long time before it goes down. I can't see. Only in the Yukon. I am in the middle of nowhere, and there's 15 bicyclers coming out to see if they can be food for the grizzlies. Sweet. It's always amazing the variety of terrain you run into on a Yukon trail. Huh. Daddy doesn't really want to go through that.
Come on. Come on. Looks like Daddy doesn't have a choice.
Look at that. Like this is sand. Soft sand. Woohoo. It's like 2 inches deep. Boy, you roll into that at 40 kilometers an hour, you're going to get a surprise. Okay, I've got 10 kilometers almost to get out of here. Gotta check my GPS again, because this doesn't look like much of a road, does it? For 10 kilometers. Sheesh.